Moving forward with a partial agreement. Moving forward with a partial agreement. Mediation doesn't always result in a complete resolution of your case. Partial agreements are a common, and sometimes a useful outcome. A good example of a partial agreement is during a landlord-tenant case where the parties agree on carpet damages, but don't agree on damage claims in the kitchen. This video will explore partial agreements and how they can work for you. What is a partial agreement? A partial agreement will resolve some, but not all, issues in your case. They are usually seen in cases like family law and business disputes. For example, in a divorce, parties might agree on custody, but not property division. Why partial agreements happen? Partial agreements happen because some issues are easier to resolve than others. Parties may find common ground on certain points, but disagree on other matters. However, progress is still progress, and even a partial resolution can be valuable to your case. What happens after a partial agreement? Once a partial agreement is in place, the agreed-upon issues are put in writing. All other unresolved matters are decided by court at trial. The benefits of partial agreements. Partial agreements give the judge an opportunity to focus on the more difficult issues in your case. Partial resolutions can also lessen the tension and animosity in your case, saving you money, time, and leaving only the big issues for trial. We hope you enjoyed learning how partial agreements can work for you. Please help Happy Mediation reach more people by liking this video or making a donation and sharing it with other people.